Hey everyone, if Bolt AI is not working properly, whether projects won't load, AI generation fails, code isn't being created, or the platform keeps freezing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Bolt AI problems in 2026. First, refresh the page and try again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt Bolt AI services, and a simple refresh may resolve the issue. Next, check your internet connection. Bolt AI relies heavily on cloud-based processing, so a weak or unstable connection can affect project generation, code creation, and live previews. Another common fix is signing out of your account and signing back in. This refreshes your session and can solve temporary account-related problems. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can create compatibility issues that prevent Bolt AI features from working correctly. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with web applications and cause loading or generation errors. If Bolt AI seems slow or unresponsive, close unnecessary browser tabs and background applications. This can free up system resources and improve performance. And that's how to fix Bolt AI not working problems in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your browser, clearing cache, and disabling conflicting extensions will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.